Hello everyone, I'm Jamie Kim, a senior at Korea University and the president of KWeb, a web service development club. Today I'll be talking about an introduction to the AWS Lambda services. Sure, here is the table of contents. Serverless does not mean there are no servers involved. It is one of the models of cloud computing where developers do not need to directly manage servers. It is an architecture that allows developers to focus solely on writing code for their applications without the need to worry about server setup or maintenance. The term serverless was coined because developers can develop applications as if there were no servers to manage. The underlying infrastructure and server management are abstracted away by the cloud provider. This way, developers can concentrate on their business logic and application development without dealing with server configuration. In AWS, there is a serverless service called Lambda. With Lambda, you can write the code that needs to be executed, and when triggered, the written code will run. Lambda supports various programming languages such as Python, Node.js, Java, Ruby, and more. One of the key advantages of Lambda is that it charges based on the execution time, and it bills you in 1 millisecond increments. This means you only pay for the resources you actually use, making it a cost-efficient option for running code in the cloud. To use AWS Lambda effectively, you need to understand layer. The layer is a collection of necessary files such as libraries needs for running Lambda functions. This layer can be shared among multiple functions and can even be used by functions in different AWS accounts. Based on the information provided earlier, we can indeed create a backend server using AWS Lambda. By using API Gateway, we can receive requests and integrate with AWS RDS to access the database. The major advantage is that developers can focus only on the business logic, making development simple and efficient. However, there are some limitations to consider. AWS Lambda has a maximum execution time of 15 minutes, and it is not always running like traditional servers. As a result, it may be slower compared to continuously running servers. For large-scale services or real-time applications, AWS Lambda might not be the most suitable choice due to these limitations. AWS Lambda serverless nature is more suitable for event-driven tasks, smaller functions, or cases where the benefits of easy scaling and reduced operational overhead outweigh the limitations. It's essential to choose the appropriate architecture based on the specific needs and requirements of your application. That's all about AWS Lambda we have learned. Lambda helps to deploy serverless services quickly and easily. For those who value deployment speed, stability, and cost effectiveness, I hope you consider applying it. Thank you for watching.